Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and taking good care of yourselves and of your parents also. Are you? Very good. So, welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids, Feather Cap. And now tell me fast that what we have done in the last class. Do you know? Yes, we have studied about wild animals, and wild animals live in the jungle. Okay, and today we will read about water animals. So are you all ready? चलिए start करते हैं. Okay, so all these are, you can see here, are water animals. They live in the water. ये कहाँ रहते हैं? Water में रहते हैं. Okay, and हम कहाँ रहते हैं? हम रहते हैं land पे. Okay, and they live in the water. So now we will read that what all animals live in the water. कौन कौन से animals water में रहते हैं और कौन कौन से animals water and land दोनों पे रहते हैं. Yes, some animals are like that which lives on water also and on land also. जो दोनों जगह रह सकते हैं. कौन कौन से animals हैं? चलिए read करते हैं. So first is frog. You all have seen a frog? It's in green in color. Yes, this frog. Next is crab. Next is crab. And next is turtle. This is turtle. So 1, 2, 3. Frog, crab and turtle. These three animals live in the water also and on land also. जो दोनों जगह रह सकते हैं, land पे भी और water पे भी. ठीक है? कौन कौन से animals हैं वो? Frog, crab and turtle. Okay? Now I will tell you about animals which lives only in the water. So this is octopus. Can you see this? Octopus. And you know, octopus has 8 legs. Yes, octopus has 8 legs. चलिए count करते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, these are 8 legs of an octopus. Okay. Next is dolphin. Next is dolphin. And you know, dolphin is very friendly. Yes, dolphin बहुत friendly होती है. Okay. Next is shark. This is shark. Next is seal. This is seal. Next is seahorse. See, it's in horse shape, but it lives in the sea, so it's called seahorse. Okay, it's a seahorse. And last is, that's, you know, that's a fish. Yes, it's a fish. Machli. And we all have done the rhyme. मछली जल की रानी है. सबने पढ़ी है ना? चलिए सुनाइए मुझे. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. हाथ लगाओगे तो डर जाएगी और बाहर निकालोगे तो मर जाएगी. यस, मछली को अगर हम बाहर निकालेंगे तो वो मर जाएगी. ठीक है? मछली सिर्फ पानी में ही रह सकती है. ओके, so water is very important for a fish. Fish only lives in the water. अगर हम fish को पानी से बाहर निकालेंगे, then what will happen? It will die. वो मर जाएगी. ठीक है? So these animals cannot live without water. ये सारे animals water के बिना नहीं रह सकते हैं. Okay? But कौन से वाले रह सकते हैं? Frog, crab and turtle. ये दोनों जगह रह सकते हैं. Water पे भी and land पे भी. Okay? Is that clear everyone? Very good. Now next is our activity. चलिए activity करते हैं. Okay, so can you see the first animal? Which is this animal? Yes, very good. This one is turtle. Now we have to find the other half of the turtle. Which one is the other half? Last one. Very good. Now we will match with the last one. Very good. Next is fish. Fish. Very good. Now find the other half of the fish. Second last. Yes, we'll go down and match with this. Okay. Now, next is dolphin. Next is dolphin. Now find where is the other half of the dolphin? Over here. Yes, this is the other half of the dolphin. We'll go straight and match it. Fourth is shark. Fourth is shark. Now find where is the shark? Yes, here. We'll match it with the shark. Okay. Now last one is seal. Last one is seal. Seal भी एक water animal होता है. Okay. Now the other half of the seal is on the top. The first one. We'll go up and match it with the first one, and it's done. We have done all the animals. Very good. Now keep practicing these animals and learn their names. I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.